wet and gloomy outside, but thank you for sharing your afternoon with us still here on Kababayan LA. Kung hindi naman niyo po kailangan lumabas ng bahay, manatili na lang po kayo sa loob ng inyong mga bahay kung saan safe pa po. Dahil ngayon, lumalabas na rin po ang mga flash flood warnings all over California. But you know, flash floods can be avoided if we were to save the mountains of the world. That's what we're going to talk about this afternoon on Kababayan LA. Kasama ko po dalawang Pinoy that we should all be proud of.
Thank you so much.
And Ian Mendoza, also from Human Development International. They are here to give us a call to save the mountains of the world. Magandang hapon sa inyong dalawa.
Magandang hapon po.
Ipaliwanag natin sa ating mga viewers, what is the call to save the mountains of the world? What is it about?
Actually, the call to save the mountains of the world is one of HDI's major initiative right now. We have started it in 2002 sa Mount Apo, Philippines, at the highest mountain in the Philippines. That is during the International Year Experience in Environmental Advocacy. We felt the need to save the mountains, especially at this time when we have to mitigate global warming. For two reasons. The mountains are the habitat of forests, which are the natural sinks of carbon dioxide. And second, the mountains is providing the waters for the woodlands and other vegetations in the lowlands.
When you talk about saving the mountains, you're not just saving the mountains of the Philippines, you're saving the mountains of the world. Wow, napaka-ambisyosong proyekto nito.
It is.
Sino-sinong mga kasama? I know you've been working with the United Nations as well.
That's right.
The group called HDI, the organizer of this initiative, is actually worldwide, but the initiative has started in the Philippines at Mount Apo. It has representatives in many countries like Australia, Germany, Canada, and here in States.
Okay, pag sinabing HDI, that's Human Development International. For the benefit of our viewers, what is HDI?
Yeah, actually, HDI is actually advocates that put people as a central focus in an ecologically balanced and at the same time on the environment, that's the mountains actually.
Okay, and I know because of this endeavor, ngayon nakikipagtulungan kayo with the United Nations, right?
Yeah,
There was a modification in the Resolution on Sustainable Mountain Development. Part of the Philippines' contribution was drafted by HDI. A resolution calling for universal attention to save the mountains as to mitigate global warming.
Okay, how do you exactly save the mountains? I know I heard of this story na sa China pala, sa mga furniture companies doon, yung mga owners, they buy forest so that they can cut down the trees.
Exactly.
And that's scary for our environment, right? But how do you save the mountains?
When you save the mountains, basically we're concerned, trend is it's degrading. So, what we
Dahil yun
started-
sa mga logging.
Dahil sa mga logging, not only logging but slash and burn farming techniques also. We have to understand also that poverty is in a downward spiral with environmental degradation where the poor people are forced to exploit the remaining resources of the mountain in order to survive. Like they have to build farms, they have to do slash and burning farming techniques. And even encroachments on nature parks of the mountain is also exerting pressure on the to bring back the forest cover. That means we have to plant trees. And planting trees is not actually on the mountains only, but also in the lowlands. So it's saving the mountains is actually interrelated to the whole environment.
So you can actually plant trees for someone, as a tribute to someone, di ba?
Yeah, that's
Pwedeng regalo. This is one of the photos and we're going to be talking about more photos when we return on Kababayan LA. Don't go away. Lumaki po ako sa Pilipinas kung saan konting ulan lang at bahang-baha na po sa Metro Manila. At going to school, sinasabi po sa amin palagi ng aming mga teachers na dahil daw yan sa erosion, dahil daw yan sa pagkaputol ng mga puno sa bundok, sa pagkaputol ng mga puno sa ating mga forests. And we're sharing that with you this afternoon. A call to save the mountains of the world. Joining me in this discussion still are people from Human Development, founder ng HDI, at si Ian Mendoza, Philippine Ambassador ng HDI. Both of you are based in the Philippines as well.
Yes, that's right.
So nararamdaman nyo rin na konting ulan, baha, konting ulan may problema dahil sa pagkawala ng ating mga puno.
Yes, that's right. If we can recall yung tragic events sa Barangay Ginsaugon, St. Bernard Leyte, I think that was in 2006. It really cover the whole community.
Oo. Dahil kulang sa puno na humahawak sa mga lupa sa bundok.
Yeah,
So that's why nag-erode na lang
Nag-erode.
talaga. At HDI, a call to save the mountains of the world. Let's start with photo number 1.
Yeah, that photo is was taken in Palawan, in Port Barton. That was June 2007. That was during the Alay Tanim Festival. It's a tree planting that was joined by the whole community. As you can see, these are all students. And aside from that, included in that planting are the Philippine Army, the whole barangay community, the parents, the teachers, and yung mga barangay officials nila. We're doing a plug because to instruct the child what to say in that documentary.
Alam mo, maganda yung ginagawa niyo kasi grassroots. You're starting with the young ones.
Yeah.
Ang sinabi mo kanina,
Last year also, because we would like to acknowledge Julia's effort as a volunteer and an environmentalist herself.
okay.
Yeah, that is the tree of Mayor Jose Esteves, the mayor of the Milpita City, who is also supporting the call.
So, pwede kang magtanim for somebody.
Yes,
Oo,
yes,
let's say a
exactly.
birthday present to your dad or to
Yes,
your
yes.
mom, pwede. You're
Yes.
planting the tree in their name. This is a good friend, Apple Diap, a good friend of Kababayan LA. He also planted a tree.
We are just so grateful that APL took time to endorse the call worldwide. You know, with his star power, he can influence people to
Yes.
also be aware of the need to preserve our mountains. This photo was taken at the Philippine Embassy in Washington, D.C. That's Brigadier Delphine Lorenzana holding the frame photo of his tree. This one was taken at the office of the UN. The lady in right is Miss Pietrazzi of the Sustainable Development Department. So we had a courtesy with her.
Alright. Aside from planting trees, what other activities do you recommend can we do in order to mitigate global warming?
No entity acting alone can address this issue, and we would like to invite everyone to, you know, let us all be part of a collective effort at our own individual level. Like, we are encouraging everyone to conserve energy first and foremost, because the production of our energy nowadays is really it really has to burn
Conserve energy. So, patayin ang mga ilaw kung
Kung
hindi
kailangan.
ginagamit.
Yes.
Patayin ang mga gripo kung hindi kailangan ng tubig, right?
to reduce the greenhouse gas emission, and also to plant a tree. You can plant a tree in your backyard. Yeah.
John, meron kang gustong idagdag?
Yeah, actually, I think it is high time for us now to feel that any obligation on the shared responsibility as guardian or caretaker of the living planet.
Why are you doing this? I know, Ian, you're a full-time volunteer.
Yeah, I'm a full-time volunteer. So I don't know, but the calling started when I was still in second year high school. I just felt the need of doing something worthwhile, siguro to make a difference, because I have seen that most of the people at my age right now are so preoccupied with many things that sometimes are not productive. So maybe I can use my time, expertise, and my resources to help save the environment, or to volunteer my time to HDI.
Very well said. John, parting statement.
Or maybe I will ask Ian to echo the call of the last paragraph. I think that would be more meaningful.
Yeah, we would like to call upon everyone who has the power, the opportunity, and the dedication to initiate, support, and maintain local, national, and global interaction where resources, expertise, lessons, and experiences are collectively pooled, institutionally arranged, and effectively utilized for a common direction to save the mountains of the world. We only have one world, one earth, and one planet.
Thank you so much for everything that you're doing. Lahat po tayo makikinabang sa ginagawa nilang panawagan to save the mountains of the world. Mabuhay kayong dalawa. More power to you.
Thank you,
so much,
Janelle.
sir.
Thank you.
Magbabalik po po, Kababayan LA. Don't go away.